going on, guys? Today I'm making shrimp wontons. I'm going to show you a step-by-step recipe on how to make shrimp wontons with a little Trinidadian flair. All right, here we go. All right, this is our ingredients. We're going to start with white pepper, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar. We got oyster sauce, sesame oil. We got our wonton skins. We have our main ingredients, which is ginger right here. We got the garlic, we got scallions, and I like habaneros. And we got our main ingredient there, which is the shrimp. So what I did is I chopped it up very finely. You don't want to mince this or blitz it. You just want to chop it up so it's nice and crunchy, and the shrimp, you could actually taste the shrimp. All right, so we're gonna go now and put all the ingredients into the shrimp. The shrimp, I put the ginger, the garlic, the scallions, and the habanero peppers in there. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the wet ingredients, such as the soy sauce, the rice wine vinegar, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. So we're gonna start with this. This is pretty much, I'm gonna average things here. So don't hold me to how big the spoon is. We're gonna do some light soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon. About the same measurement as soy sauce. All right, now we got the oyster sauce. We're gonna do about 2 tablespoons. Let me see, about 1 of these is gonna do well. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. And we got the sesame oil. Now, you don't wanna do too much of this. You just wanna do like half a tablespoon. I'm gonna just measure it like that. All right, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put some salt, just a little bit because this light soy has salt already. A little just again. All right. Now we have our white pepper, which is very known in Asian cuisine. I'm just gonna average it out. 1/4 teaspoon. And we're gonna put a little cornstarch just to bind it and hold the sauce and the shrimp together. Now, you don't want to put too much cornstarch, just like 1/4 teaspoon. We're gonna give this a mix. All right, let's give it a mix. All right, as you can see, we've mixed everything all together. The shrimp is a little firm. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna get my wonton skins ready and the next step. Cool things is the wrapping of the wontons. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of the wontons, have it on a diagonal on your palm, take some shrimp, put it in there in the middle, and what we're gonna do, put it back down. I got some corn flour and some warm water. We're gonna use this to seal the ends. So you're gonna go around it and make a little triangle. Flatten it one side and the other side. Hold it like this. We're gonna wet these ends and stick it like that. And here's your wonton. Put it in your tray and repeat. We're down to our last wonton. Make our triangle. Wet the end and fold. Now you might have it like that. You just press it down, and it's the oil is at 390 because when I put the wontons, the temperature is going to drop. All right, so let's fry our wontons. Got my spider here. Give it a little flip. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Shrimp wontons, fried.